Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all to today's topic. So today we are going to learn about the number system. In computer system, number system is very important to understand because you will get some questions from this topic only. Okay, and it is also very important for the class 11th and the 12th as a you if you are the IP student, if you are the Python student, C means computer science students. So this is very important for you. This is also very important those who are going to appear the competitive exams, because nowadays government exam, in any other competitive exams, you will get surely two to three questions from this topic. Okay, so that's why it is very important. So I already wrote down some number system here because to save the time. So I'm going to make a small video on this. Next time we will convert the number system. Okay, so first of all, the briefing, a small introduction I'm going to give you. As like first you can see this is a on the first is the binary system. Here you can see the binary system. Okay, what is the binary system? Binary system is the computer understands only two numbers, which is 0 and 1. Because computer have an electronic device, it can understand only two signals, plus and minus, plus and minus. Okay, so to represent the plus and minus, they introduce 0 and 1, so it will be easy to make you understand. Means the human can understand a little bit how the computer system can work. Okay, so that's why they introduced the binary system. The binary is the language of a computer. Make it sure you have to understand this one. And if you want to know that how the computer is interacting with the human being, so for that you please in my playlist you can watch the operating system and the this kernel video. I already made a video on that. You please visit that way. Okay, so binary system is a binary number system, contains only two numbers, 0 and 1, that you have to remember. After that we have octal number system, and octal contains the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this many numbers only. Apart from this there is no any other number. Okay, make it sure octal will accept 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, after that decimal number systems, we have a decimal number system contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, with this you can make any number. My dear students, you all are using this decimal number systems. Let's suppose I am going to give you one example with this. Okay, let's suppose if you want to write down 230, so this is the decimal number system. 520, 540, this is the decimal number system. So whatever in general life you are using, that is a decimal number system. Okay, I think this is clear to you. Next we have hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal means it will accept the alphabets also. So you can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after that it is starting from 9. After that is starting from A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so make it sure that you have to remember this is the hexadecimal number system. Okay, this is octal, this is decimal, and this is a hexadecimal. Things are clear here. Okay, this many numbers it can accept. Now I am going to tell you about the base. Base is very important for them. Base is very important to understand how the number system will work, how the conversion will take place from one number system to another number system. This is very important. So for that you have to understand the base. Base is what? Base is the numbers, how many numbers we can use in this. Okay, how many numbers we can use in this. As you can see 0, 1, how many numbers? 2. So base is 2. Okay, octal, how many numbers are there? Count, start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are there. Okay, count the digits. Okay, I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think these things are clear. I am counting them. Okay, I am not counting the 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. I am counting from 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 8. So base is 8. Similarly, in decimal number system you can count it up to 10. The base is 10. In the hexadecimal you can see up to here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So base is 16. Okay, so I think the base is clear till here. One thing I want to tell you, which is very important in hexadecimal number system. When you will learn the hexadecimal number system, you can see here A. When you are going to learn about the A, if you are getting number 10 in hexadecimal number system, it represents A. Okay, if you are getting 11, so it means you are going to represent the B. If I am going to tell you you have the 12 number, so you are going to represent the C. 13, 14 and 15. I think this is clear to you. When we will do the conversion of these number systems, that time I will tell you what are these. Okay, so I think this is clear to you. Tomorrow we will make tomorrow we will get another video in which I will tell you how to conversion will take place from one number system to another number system. First we will start with the binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So I think this is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.